If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Limited in black clear coat. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, LED cornering fog lamps, 19-inch granite painted aluminum wheels, satin granite roof rails, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, tungsten interior accent stitching, dual-pane panoramic power sunroof, tonneau cover, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5564.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.